Hey everybody, it's Neil, and last week I went hiking with one of my boys in sneakers, and it was not the most comfortable of things to do. So I got myself some boots. So I'm gonna show you guys what these boots look like. Take them out of here. They come wrapped nice, and this is it. So kind of like a leather boot here, and inside we've got we have some air packaging materials, and it says it's by Outdoors, which is where I plan to use these. Got a nice grippy bottom on it. A little bit of flex, not a ton. It's got a nice cushioning back here, and the tongue is cushioned. Bottom feels pretty nice. It's got like a little pattern kind of feel on the bottom there. But we're gonna try these on. We've got a second one here too, which is nice to have a pair since I have 2 feet. Let's put on some socks real quick. Okay, so I got some socks on. I'll aim you guys at my feet so you can watch me put them on. So I'll put this one on first. And comes with the shoelaces here that I need to finish lacing up. It's funny that they don't lace them all the way. I think I probably have like an 8.5 or a 9. That's usually what I wear. But let's see what we got here. I know it looks silly with my black socks and shorts on, but too bad. Ooh, these feel nice. We got a lot of ankle support on these. That's probably what I needed last week when I was out hiking. Going on rocks and things. It's nice to have that ankle support. So let's get these other ones here. These ones here are cinched up. These ones here are a little loose in the bottom. These I am getting nice and tight. And here we are. So this is what they look like here. These feel pretty nice. Not gonna go run a race in them, but they feel good. They're nice and tight around here. Got a nice strong toe, not a steel toe or anything, you can see there. But the crease doesn't stay, so that's nice. Let's see what the dog thinks of them. What do you think of these? They look good, comfortable. I think these are gonna go in my car, so next time I go hiking, I'll be able to give these a shot. So, very cool. I'm gonna say I like these. These boots are nice. Thumbs up from me. They are, I guess, outdoor brand. And then there's something in Chinese. So, thumbs up.